Updates now coming in from Karnataka, and they will shock you as I'm finding it hard to even bring this news to you. VVIP mindset on display and how? Because now sources are indicating that not just free tickets, Karnataka MLAs will get a separate stand to watch IPL matches. So what? People like you and me should stand in line and VVIP treatment should be given to public representatives? Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister DKS has now requested for free IPL tickets per MLA. For 2 free IPL tickets per MLA, a dedicated stand as well is being thought of, which should be given to all the MLAs. And remember, why are we showing you those pictures from last year? Because that is where the entire chaos and stampede had happened. They just did not know how to manage it. And in the same stadium, once IPL actually starts, that is the solution, that MLAs should be given treatment so that there is better crowd management. Does that even make sense? Let's cut across to our reporter to try and understand more on the story. But before that, some reactions coming in. Take a look.
ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. RCBಗೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, KC ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 300 ಜನ 234 ಜನ ಶಾಸಕರು ಒಂದು ಆಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಇರ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೀಕರು 4 ಜನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬೀನ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಆನರಬಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್, direction he has given to the government. I know that I discussed with him. 4 tickets can't be given. So out of 1, every MLA, MP, minister used to get 1 seat. Now we are requested to give 2 tickets if the family members. Second we will discuss later. Now tomorrow first match they will get 2 tickets.